Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigator, and this is a weekly market forecast for the week of January 11, 2021. Welcome to the new year. We start the first week trading of the new year of 2021 with a positive bullish momentum, with a ton of stimulus money going to flow into the market. The S&P 500, the Dow, the Nasdaq, Russell 2000 continue to make a new all-time high to finish the week. Today, I will analyze and show you what sector that we should focus on and looking for a strong stock in that sector so that we can find the opportunity to trade. If you have been following me in my YouTube channel, every day in our live trading room, I look at the chart to analyze and give out a short-term price direction to make some extra daily income and analyze the swing trade stock price direction for my members so that they can get a bigger profit potential. I will continue to update during the week, so that make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel so that I can notify you when a new update come in. Trading is a risky business. It is not a get rich quick scheme. Trading involves with a significant knowledge of the market. Successful trader require much more than a good strategy. It requires a discipline, patience, guiding, and a lot of experience from the practice. You need to know when to make a trade, when to stay away, and need to know how to set up and read the trading chart correctly. No one jump in right in the instant become a successful trader. Most traders losing money because they chase to buy pump and dump penny stock and keep listening to the news and their friends for tip. As stock navigators, we will help you to learn and understand how to read the price action on the chart by using a modern technical analysis and understand the crowd psychology, combined with the pattern recognition and money management so that you can buy with the high probability of winning and a low risk trade. You need to learn how to read and analyze the chart before you start buying any stock so that you can manage your own financial future. But we understand it's very hard for you to know everything overnight, so we will mentor you every week until you are successful. And we will guide you every day in our live trading room so that you can follow along and ask and see how the price action in real time so that you can make some extra daily income and manage your own stock portfolio. Now let's take a look on the main index chart so that we can see where we are at right now. So first of all, let's look at the S&P 500. So the market, it made all-time high last week and continue to push it upside. However, we are a little bit standard, so the market, it may pull back a little bit and then continue to the upside. Overall trend is still bullish, so we will stick with the uptrend. Of course, on the way up, they will pull back a little bit, okay, but they will continue to put it up to the upside. And you can see that a lot of sector, a lot of index like a Nasdaq, with a lot of technology stock, they still rumble to the upside. They continue to push it to the upside. And the IWM, which is the small cap stock, they still continue to the upside. It's a little bit standard, but the momentum is still up there. And the Dow, you can also see it also put it back up all-time high last week, and then they still continue to push it back up, okay, hit through resistance. So right now at this moment the market at all-time high, so we have to a little bit careful to see how the market react, especially next week. We still have a lot of political issue in the White House to see the market how they react here. So when it's too far, we always try to buy when it pull back a little bit, okay, don't try to chase it when it's in the upside. The semiconductor, every week I look at some sector to see which one doing well and pick up some stock in that sector so we can analyze the chart so they can see how they are doing during the week. So semiconductor sector is still very strong. As you can see, a lot of stock in that sector is performing very well. So this is the semiconductor, they hit through resistance there. So a lot of stock that they run up very fast to the upside, but they may pull back a little bit. Okay, like Applied Material, they have a nice run last week, and AMD is still try to put it back up and test the all-time high there. And KLA 10 call to try to put it back up. It's kind of a little bit standard, so we have to, those stock are strong stock, but we need to wait for them to pull back, okay, a little bit before we can resume the uptrend again. And the clean energy oil sector is still doing well. Like last week, we show you a couple of stocks. They run up very fast in the last week from $30 and to 50, almost $56 within 1 week. But they are too standard right now, so we have to wait for them to pull back. Okay, another green power model, they should back up, but now they go sideways correction again. And a lot of stock like Tesla, okay, it's still parapilot move to the upside. So they still continue with a high demand. This stock still continue to go up. We don't know how far they can go, but as long as they still bullish, we will stick with the bull until they turn around. The bank sector also benefits from the stimulus. You see a lot of banks, they shoot it back up for the last week, and people take some profit. Okay, the regional First Republic Bank also doing extremely well to the upside. Goldman Sachs, okay, JP Morgan, you can see those stocks that hit the home run last weekend. But again, a lot of stocks that are very too fast. So we have to be patient. Even though the trend is still up, but we need to wait for them to pull back a little bit so we can get a better entry. Beside that one, the bio sector is still doing very well. As you can see that the IBB, this sector is still very strong with a coronavirus that continue to shake up the whole world there. So those stocks still push the IBB in the upside. And you can see that a lot of strong stock in that sector to try to break out and go to the upside. And a couple of stocks that have been bid up, but now they try to find a way to come back up, like blue. Okay, so this one is bottom out, and now they try to make it high, and then if they can keep up the momentum next week, they will find a way to put it to upside. And GLID, it is Gillette, it's also find a bottom out here. They try to make a new high here, so they can have some room to put it to the upside there. Another sector that also doing well, that is cyber security. We have a lot of hacker stuff happen last week, and then those stocks still continue to make a headline. So you can see that a lot of stuff like Palo Alto Network, right? They try to put it back up there at ACK. That's another cyber stock that trying to find a way to put it back up. A lot of technology stock that also doing well. Last week you can see that the Roku, that one of the strong one, the last 4 days, they punch to the high here and then continue to put up to the upside. And Apple, okay, Apple is to put it, let's see here. The Apple would also come back. They hit to the resistance there, they pull back down, and now they try to put it back up again. And also Google, okay, Google is after they run up, they found a support. Now they rumble up to the upside again. And a couple of stocks that have been bid up from the down component, like Salesforce, they slam them down, but seem like they are very close to the level of they fill up the big gap here. So if they can hold up at this level, you can see the rebound from this one very soon. So these are just a few stocks that we show you here in our live trading room. Every day we analyze a lot more stocks in real time with our members, so that they can follow along and know when to get in and when to get out to take profit. If you're busy working, you can subscribe to our weekly premium Wall Street watchlist, where we handpick and analyze in detail where the stock we're heading to. Again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to give me a thumb up. See you next time.